India International Convention and Expo Centre is a state-of-the-art international exhibition, convention centre and business complex in Dwarka, Delhi. The complex will provide world-class facilities for national and international conferences, exhibitions, trade shows and cultural events. The site is close to major transport hubs, a sports complex, the proposed diplomatic enclave, a golf course, the Aero City hotels, and it is just 10 kilometers away from Delhi's International Airport. It is accessible via the Dwarka Expressway and the Urban Extension Road and will be connected to the Delhi-Jaipur railway line. The Airport Express Metro and Dwarka Metro lines will also be extended up to the center of the complex. The convention center will be a state-of-the-art facility with a built-up area of 60,000 square meters. It is conceived at a monumental scale with an iconic roof structure which will crown the whole complex. It will have the biggest auditorium in the country with a capacity to host up to 10,000 delegates at a time. The building features a collection of flexible spaces and covered terraces. It will house a plenary hall that can seat 6,000 people, spacious pre-function areas, VIP lounges, and various meeting rooms. A sky lobby with panoramic views over the complex. And a grand ballroom with a seating capacity of 2,400 people. The convention center is connected to the exhibition halls through a 1 kilometer long grand foyer with 60,000 square meters of built-up area. This is the main distribution space for visitors to the convention and exhibition areas. It will house facilities such as cafes, restrooms, and information desks, amongst others. The 5 exhibition halls provide over 270,000 square meters of built-up space with additional open exhibition area, open hands in the convention center. IICC will position India as a truly global MICE destination.